Ideal building lot in Oak Ridge's upscale Rivers Run community of $300,000 to $750,000 homes. 15 minutes to West Knoxville via Pellissippi Pkwy. Single-family homes architecturally optimized for today's living with low-maintenance features stressed. From 1,800 to 3,500 square feet with many modifications, finished second floor, 10-foot ceilings, 4th bedroom, climate-controlled storage, screened, covered, or enclosed porches, 3-car garage, and various appearance and energy savings upgrades available. Buyer can also provide their own plan, subject to HOA approval. Amenities include lawn care and optional neighborhood pool, tennis, and more. Adjacent to Centennial Golf Course and Melton Lake with its jogging trail/walkway. Setting conducive to an active lifestyle or quiet relaxation. All the amenities of Oak Ridge.